Okay, it's time for our star story. Our story today is called Pumpkin Pumpkin. The name of the author and the illustrator is Jean Thitherington. Jean Thitherington wrote the words and drew the pictures for the story. The word pumpkin is in the title of our book 2 times. The title is Pumpkin Pumpkin. What does the title make you think about? What do you see on the cover? Do you see the cover? What do you see on the cover that helps you know what the story might be about? All right, let's read it. Jamie planted a pumpkin seed. What do you notice about the seed that Jamie is holding in his hand? It's a very small seed and it's going to grow into a big pumpkin. And the pumpkin seed grew a pumpkin sprout. Do you see the little sprout? And the pumpkin sprout grew a pumpkin plant. And the pumpkin plant grew a pumpkin flower. You see there? And the pumpkin flower grew a pumpkin. Okay, and so the pumpkin on this page doesn't really look like the one on the cover. Why do you think this pumpkin looks different than the one on the cover? And the pumpkin grew and grew and grew until Jamie picked it. Jamie's pumpkin is huge. How do you think he got it in his wagon? Then Jamie scooped out the pumpkin pulp, carved a pumpkin face, and put it in the window. But he saved 6 pumpkin seeds for planting in the spring. If you had a pumpkin like Jamie's, how many seeds would you save to plant in the spring? And why would you save that many? In the beginning of the story, the seed that Jamie plants grows a sprout. What do you think the word sprout means? A sprout is the bud or a beginning of a plant. Have you ever seen a sprout on a plant that is just starting to grow? After Jamie picks his pumpkin, he scoops out the pulp. Here it is. He scoops out the pulp and makes a pumpkin face. What do you think the word scoop means? When Jamie scoops out the pumpkin, he takes out the seeds and the pulp that's inside of the pumpkin. Okay, so that is our star story for the day.